Race to the Top is a fundraising program from the Barack Obama administration. It allowed $4.35 billion of funds to be available to reward schools and states that adopted specific standards and reforms. It was meant as a competitive incentive to get as many states on board as possible. In order to receive funding, states had to show an outlined plan of how they were going to make changes to their schools. They had to show a system in place for teacher retention and recruitment, a plan to close underperforming schools or transition them into charter schools. They had to show a revised student data system that would allow for better and easier tracking for teachers and principals to track student improvement. So there were 3 phases of funding that was awarded, and during the first phase, Delaware and Tennessee were the first states to implement this. So they were each awarded $600 million of the total $4.35 billion. Then during phase 2, there were 10 more states that were awarded as well, and the amount got lesser and lesser as the phases continued.